Oh yes. Welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for a video on cryptocurrency every single day. My name's Austin, and team, let's just get right into it. Today is going to be a great video. If we take a look at the market, you guys may or may not know this, we actually saw a huge outflux of cash this last weekend as tens of billions of dollars again left the market. And now people are asking the question, hey, is Bitcoin on its way up or is Bitcoin on its way down? Let's talk about it, because yes, in the last 24 hours, we seem to have leveled off a little bit as the whole market slightly gets in the green, but the Bitcoin price is so much lower than what it once was. Let's zoom out a little bit to better answer this question. This is Bitcoin over the last 4 weeks. And as you can see, this was that huge outflux of cash we saw just a few days ago. Bitcoin going from about 7,500 to at one point dipping below 7,000. But again, like I said, leveling off at the moment. And this little outflux of cash is coming off of an even more significant outflux of cash that happened not but 7 days ago. And of course, at that point, it seems like forever ago, but it was really just about 7 days ago, Bitcoin was at 7,800, Bitcoin was at 8,100, 8,200, and at that time, we all thought Bitcoin was on its way up. You know, this was the humble beginnings of a bull run. So what do you guys think? Well, if at any point today you disagree with what I say, or you have your own opinion, let me know in the comments. I'm going to be responding to you guys there. But by the end of this video, I want to answer the question, where will Bitcoin price go from here? So, if you guys like when we go over the market, then you are going to like this video. But let's get into it. Like always on this channel, I want to quickly clue you guys in to the most relevant headlines making news in crypto today. So let's get to the first article. Wikipedia founder Jimmy Wales has zero interest in an ICO. This is the founder of Wikipedia. Let's read on. The founder of Wikipedia, Jimmy Wales, has ruled out the possibility of the free online encyclopedia getting involved with crypto. When asked whether Wikipedia had any interest in cryptocurrency or ICO ambitions during an interview with Business Insider, Wales said, and I quote, "We are absolutely never going to do that. Zero interest." Interesting. And you know what? Like I've said before in the past, not every website, not every company needs a cryptocurrency. It's interesting to hear the reasons why Jimmy Wales didn't see any value in crypto. He says, and I quote, "I have reservations about blockchain. It's a super interesting technology, but it's clearly a bubble with a lot of mania and hype around it." Wow. And let's be real, guys, because on this channel we try and be as real as we can. While we don't know which cryptocurrency will make it in the end, 5, 10, 15 years from now, there's one thing, and I'm no financial advisor, do your own research, but there's one thing I know for sure, that blockchain in general is here to stay. And if you don't think that blockchain is going to change the way and better the way we live, then you know what, Jimmy, you're not paying attention. And one more thing that's interesting about Jimmy Wales, Wikipedia not finding any value in Bitcoin, in cryptocurrency, if we scroll down a little bit, we can see for the last 4 years, the Wikipedia Foundation has actually been accepting Bitcoin donations. Despite the reservations Wales harbors regarding crypto, he has been accepting donations in Bitcoin since 2014. Wow. So you do see some value. And the only reason they started accepting Bitcoin, this only materialized after the nonprofit Wikipedia had displayed a lot of reluctance, including turning away potential donors just because they were planning to give Bitcoin. So instead of turning people away, they of course accepted it. It's just interesting because in some sense, Jimmy does see some value. Do you guys think Wikipedia would benefit from adopting cryptocurrency? Let me know in the comments. Let's keep going. Coinbase Custody considers addition of 37 new assets, including XRP, EOS, and Monero. Big green flag news. Let's check this out. If you guys don't know Coinbase Custody, that was launched about a month ago. Coinbase, obviously one of the most popular exchanges to buy Bitcoin. And Coinbase Custody is aiming to address the number one concern of institutional investors, namely security. So it's a very secure way for the big money to enter the market, which is very much needed. Well, anyway, this Coinbase Custody is considering adding 37 new assets. The San Francisco-based exchange and wallet service Coinbase announced a few days ago that it is exploring the addition of 40 new assets to its custodial service, Coinbase Custody. The blog stressed that the crypto assets may be added for storage only, and that Coinbase will add them as quickly and as safely as possible. Coinbase states that they are not currently considering the assets for trading. So just to be clear, this is for the big money are going to be able to hold these assets. Right now they're not considering it for trading, but baby steps. This is still very big. Green flag, big news for institutional money to be able to enter the market. And among the new assets being considered are Ripple, EOS, Monero, VeChain, Cardano, Bitcoin Gold, Telegram. A lot of great stuff. Big green flag. Let's keep going. And again, if you guys appreciate keeping you guys updated on the daily crypto news, then make sure you give the video a like. Just helps us grow. This is really, I just want to clue you guys in. I don't know if you guys follow Ethos, the universal wallet, but community airdrops are coming, and I just want to make sure you guys are all clued in on how to claim your airdrops. Let's check it out. We follow them on Twitter. If you guys want to follow us on Twitter, it's Altcoin Daily IO. Go in the description right now below the video and check it out. The link will be there. But the Ethos Community Airdrop Program. Let's find out how we can take advantage. How to receive your airdrop tokens in your universal wallet. And this is important. If you pre-registered before July 2nd, 2018, which I think a lot of us did because you've been subscribing to this channel, you will have received an email to confirm your eligibility. Please check your inbox. Tokens will be airdropped directly into your wallet once you've completed these 3 simple steps. And so just to be clear, you had to have pre-registered before July 2nd, and these 3 steps have to be completed before Thursday, August 16th. We cannot airdrop tokens to registrants who do not have an active universal wallet. So this is mandatory for participation. So if you have your wallet, take these notes now. First thing you would have had to do is sign up for the universal wallet. Okay, we all did this. You can get it on Google Play or App Store. Second thing you would have had to do is create a smart wallet and smart key. So basically just activate the wallet. Just type in a username, set it all up. It'll take less than 5 minutes. These 2 steps, again, must be completed by Thursday, August 16th, in just a few weeks. And last step, team, tune in. This one is the most important step. Step 3, sit tight and get your airdrops. So that's pretty much it. Guys, just make sure you're all active wallets and you can cash in on these airdrops. Nothing wrong with free coins. All right, team, the last piece of news I want to bring you before we answer the question, as best we can, on where will the Bitcoin price go from here, is this. Huge green flag from the New York Stock Exchange. The New York Stock Exchange's owner wants to bring Bitcoin to your 401k. Are crypto credit cards next? Check this out. This is great news for the crypto community in general. This morning, the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, the trading colossus who owns the New York Stock Exchange and other global marketplaces, announced that it is forming a new company called Bakkt. The new venture, which is expected to launch in November, will offer a federally regulated market for Bitcoin. With the creation of Bakkt, ICE aims to transform Bitcoin into a trusted global currency with broad usage. Now, team, full disclosure, this article came out just a few days ago, but I want to clue you in because this is possibly the single greatest news in cryptocurrency that we've gotten all year, aside from maybe the CBOE, SEC ruling and stuff like that. Basically, an institution that has been involved with finance for forever. They are a staple in the financial market. They're saying that by November, they want to make it able to federally regulate the market for Bitcoin. They're essentially saying Bitcoin is valid, and they're bullish on it. And to achieve this vision, ICE is partnering with the heavyweights from the world of technology, consulting, and retail: Microsoft, Boston Consulting Group, and Starbucks. And of course, after this, the next step after that could be using Bitcoin. The next step after this could be using Bitcoin to replace your credit card. Now, what does this mean? The reason I saved this article to last is because when we answer the question, where is the Bitcoin price headed from here? This is a huge factor in my point of view from this. Let's check this out. Usually I don't give specific advice, but I'm going to give you guys very specific advice right now. The Bitcoin price for the future, it's either going to do one of two things. It's going to head up or it's going to head down. And stay with me after that little cheesy joke. Let's take a look at past markets, because to know where we're going, it's just important to know where we've been. In 2017, this was the market. As you can see, in August, which is where we are now, we saw ups and downs, and if you would have zoomed in on this, it's like, oh my God, are we headed into oblivion? Is Bitcoin going down forever? No. We bounced back. Bitcoin was at 3,700 then, and of course we saw the biggest bull run ever. But the point is, we saw incremental additions in money over the last few months. That was last year. If we look back at 2016, basically the same thing happened. We saw a little summer bull run, and yeah, we saw a little bit of volatility here and there, but we were making positive steps upward. And that's, if the market is historically like that, then Bitcoin is on its way up. Now there's another option, that Bitcoin is on its way down, and that would be more comparable to the 2014 market. We saw a lot of people like to compare this because at the beginning of 2014, Bitcoin saw all-time highs at almost 1,000. They compared to this last year where Bitcoin saw all-time highs of almost 20,000. And yeah, they saw a summer bull run, but it just kept heading on its way down. This is the other option. And again, at this channel, we're just trying to be as realistic as we can. Bitcoin just kept dropping down, lower and lower and lower, and it was really a bearish year for Bitcoin. Those are the two options, team. What do you guys think? This is my opinion. It's articles like this, news, press releases like this that clue me in to say that we're seeing too many green signals for Bitcoin to die this year or have a bearish market. Institutional money is setting the stage to come into the market. And yes, while Bitcoin is gaining dominance and it seems like altcoins are just dropping lower and lower, to me, I just think the whales, and no, not Jimmy whales, but the whales that have all the big institutional money, shaking the weak hands. They are getting trying to get the markets as low as they can before they buy in. They're not stupid. They want to make money too. That's my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you agree, if you disagree, if you think I'm an idiot, or you think I have a point. I really want to know. Anyway, my name's Austin. This has been Altcoin Daily, and team, have a great week. We'll see you guys tomorrow.